Page 108, number 77. We are given this d minus 1 cubed y is equal to e to the 6e to the ex. This is just equal to y prime prime minus 3y prime prime plus 3y prime minus y after we do some expansion. So we have this as your y complementary equation, so that after you differentiate, we will find the value for this m in order to have the particular solution or the complementary equation. So after differentiating this, we differentiate again and differentiate, so that we now have the values for the y prime prime, y prime prime, y prime, y. So substituting for the values, this one, this one, and this one, and this one is for this. So after factoring, we found out that the m's are just the same, equals to 1, because this is perfect cube. So we now have the complementary equation, which is in the form like this. So in order for us to have a particular solution, we need to vary with the parameters. So u1 is just this. So in order to find this u values, we need the formula from which we'll find the Wronskians in order to find the particulars, or in order to find a particular solution by means of finding the values of these u's, u1, u2, u3. So we need first to differentiate this y1, y1, y2, y3. This is our y1, this is our y2, this is our y3. And after you differentiate, this e to the x, and after you simplify, after differentiating and simplifying, this is our resultant. And after differentiating this again and simplifying, we find that this is our resultant. So for the y3, after we differentiate it, and we found out this is our simplified form, and we differentiate again, we find this simplified form. So we now have to proceed to the Wronskian. In our Wronskian, this is our y1, this is our y1 prime, this is our y1 prime prime, and this will be our y2, our y2 prime, and our y2, the second derivative of y2. This will be our y3, and this will be our y3, its first derivative, and this is the y3, this second derivative. After that, we replace this first with 0, 0, and this one is the function of x. And after that, we simplify this, and we found out that this is the value. And for the Wronskian 2, we have this as our value. First, we need to replace this term from the Wronskian with 0, 0, 6e to the x, and so on with Wronskian 3 is in third. So simplifying this matrices, this is our values. So after that, we'll now proceed to find the u1 prime. And since we have this formula, u1 prime is equal to w1 prime, w prime x, w of x over w of x. We found that this is our value, 3x squared, and this is equal to x cubed. And this u2 prime is equal to w2 over w, and we found this is our value, after integrating, this will be the result. And for W3, for over W, this is our result 3. And this, after integrating, we have 3x. We now have the particular solution because this is our u1, which already found. This is our u2, and this is our u3. We now have the particular solution. So these things cancel out, and the only left one is this. So this now the particular solution, which is will be added to the complementary solution. So we are given this initial condition that at y of -1 is equals to 0. So y of -1, we found out this will be the constants, the value of constants, and at y of -1 equals 3 to the x, found that this is the equation of the constants, and this is will be. And solving these equations, we found out that the values of constants are this 1, 0, 0. So putting our constants in the general form, this one, we obtain this value y to the x 1 plus x cubed. That satisfies the given condition. This is now will be the answer.